Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome to Choosing a Color Palette Tutorial Part 2. This is more widespread. This is more about color matching. A lot of people have been asking me how I match my colors so well to the different characters that I draw, or how I know what colors to use. I just want to show you something. This is my color palettes folder, and I keep all sorts of stuff in this. Like those Pokemon drawings that I did, I made little color notes for every single one, and then I also always have scratch paper, especially when I'm trying to decide what colors to use in the background or on a border, or what colors mix together to make the right color if I don't have it. Like I did not have the right color for Cyndaquil at all, so I had to mix colors by layering over them. And yeah, this is like artist's notes. This is a really good thing to have all the time. But the reason that I'm always able to match so well is because I've made these color swatches, and I've made them for my markers and colored pencils, because I have some colors with my colored pencils that I don't have in my marker colors. And I've made a swatch for each color group. It's like red, yellow, red, yellow, yellow green, green, blue green, blue, blue violet, violet, red violet, and earth tones, and then also my Tria pens. I only have 5 of them. And then I also have, I only have 60 of these. These are the ones that I got from the contest that ZQZ held. And yeah, those are my colored pencil swatches. But what I did was I colored all the way to the edge, and you can't really tell, like right here you can, but I colored lightly on one side and darker on the other, and you can definitely see that with my colored pencils, the colored pencil swatches. And I did this because, here, I'll grab my Pokedex. This is my Pokedex, and this is the one I use specifically for color matching Pokemon. This isn't the one that has all of them though. This is what I got for Christmas this year. But let's say we want to draw like Marowak. We'll find, he looks like an orange Pokemon, or maybe a yellow Pokemon. Color match, he's pretty close to Y26, but not quite. Not quite. And see, I don't have a color that really matches him, so let's see if I have that color in colored pencils. Yeah, I'd say this color is pretty close, but a little too bright. So what I would do with a Marowak is I would take probably Y26, because it's a lot closer than the colored pencil, and then go over it with Y28 to kind of meet in the middle. That way it would be a closer color. Let's find a Pokemon that I have the right color for. Most of them I have the right color for, really. Like Wormpole. He'd definitely be right, an R24. Yeah, this is how I color match. It's really fun to do, actually. I kind of get distracted. And I don't really have the right color for some of them. Sableye, too purple, but he's too blue for the purples that I have. So, this is helpful for finding out which colors you need to mix together and also what colors the Pokemon are, and if you're into Pokemon, it has all of their moves and all of their different abilities and all that good stuff. This is also great for scale, because it has all the pictures of the different Pokemon next to a human, which is really nice. There are a couple typos in here though, it's really funny. Because apparently this is a coughing. And yeah, I think that's really funny that they did that to Scyther. Yeah. So it's the pocket size. There's a bigger one, but this is the pocket size. But anyway, that's how I color match. And then what I do once I find the color is I will take a blank color swatch like this, and I will do something like this. I'll make a color note. It's like bookmark sized. Like this is the one for the PaletteTutorial drawing that I did. And these are just the basic colors. Like this is for a new drawing that will be posted probably right after I post this, but this drawing. Like my lighting notes, I just kind of make suggestions to myself. I didn't actually use B24. But this is way easier than fishing through your markers and guessing and all that stuff, because a lot of the markers actually, their caps don't match what they look like once you color with them. Like Y28, this color is really kind of grayish when you compare it to the lid, and it's not a good way to match your color. So that's why I made these color swatches, and it would be cool to see how you guys color match too, and if you guys make color swatches too or whatever. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. That's how I do all my color palettes. If I don't think that I have the right color, I'll often mix, like I said, like what I did with Cyndaquil and all sorts of stuff like that. And this is choosing backgrounds for Pikachu. And that's where the color wheel comes in handy. Like if you want to pick a color that's opposite of red, it would be like a blue or blue-green or green. It's like the reds and oranges oppose the other color. This isn't a very good example of a color wheel, but most of you, I'm sure, have seen a color wheel in your lifetime and know how they work. Basically, whatever color is opposite on the color wheel is a complementary color, and then colors that are similar, I can't remember the special name for it. I just use the term similar. And then red, blue, and yellow are the primaries, and then green, purple, and orange are secondaries. And then like red, violet, like yellow, green, blue, green, those are tertiary colors. So I kind of apply the knowledge of a color wheel to this color wheel, and that's how I make a contrasting background, and how I know how colors will work together. But I always make color notes. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm sorry if it's a little bit scatterbrained, but I'm sure you understand what I mean. And I really appreciate that you guys watch my videos. And stay tuned for the next one.